Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can edit your night footage look cinematics using this black eyes filter on CapCut. So here I have my I've already imported a night footage to my CapCut, and I'm going to make it look cinematics with the filter on CapCut. So you can just go to filter, and then in here find the category night scene, click on that, swipe through the options until you find this black eyes filter. So just click on that, and you can see now the video will change like this. You can just change the intensity. I'm going to go with 90, and just click on the check icon, and that's it. So my video now will look like this. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye.